All right, we're on the Wu Jin Pen Fuyu Phoenix. That's hard to say. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna buy a bonus, because why not? Do it. We're buying a $100 bonus. Come on. Give me a bunch of spins. Not that many. Come on. All right, multiply me. Multiply me. Jackpot me. Oh yeah, double reel me. Oh yeah, baby. Anything over 100's a win, all right? Come on. Big money here. Load it up. All right. Bunch of stuff, a lot of stuff. Whoa, flaming birds. All right. If this ain't over 100 and I hit everything, oh, don't tease the mega. That ain't happening. Come on. Come on. The major would be cool. I know you're not going to give me the mega. Anything over 100. Anything over 100. One more spin. Oh my goodness. Look at all these bricks though. Major. Of course not. No chance you give me the mega. We don't get over 100 and we hit everything. All right, we're over 100. We're happy. All right, we'll take the $25 minor. Come on. We will take a buy a bonus win. Let's go.